I have to find the second order derivative of the following functions. First one is cos cubed x. For cos cubed x, we can differentiate directly or we can apply the formula. So what we know is cos 3a. With the help of cos 3a, we can reduce the power and it can be converted into multiple angle. So cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. That's the formula. So 4 cos cubed x can be written as cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So now you can move on to the problem. What's given? Cos cubed x is given, so I consider this as y is equal to cos cubed x. So cos cubed x can be written as 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Cos 3x plus 3 cos x from the formula. Now we are going to differentiate first time. So y dash is equal to 1 by 4 as it is. Cos derivative is minus sine into 3x. Again sine 3x. 3x derivative is 3. Isn't it? 3x derivative is 3. Plus 3 into cos derivative is minus sin x. So there is a first order derivative. Next second order derivative. 1 by 4 into minus 3 constant. Sin derivative is a cos 3x and 3x derivative is 3. Minus 3 into sin x derivative is cos x. Take minus 3 common from these two equations. So it can be written as minus 3 by 4 into 3 cos 3x plus cos x. That is the derivative, second order derivative of cos cubed x, y double dash, right? Next problem. Here we have to find, important thing is cos 3a. If sin cubed is given, the same formula, sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. So cos 3x formula it is. Next, sin power 4x. Sin power 4x, y is equal to sin square x cos square x. I write it as sin square x whole square. Now I need a formula for sin square x. I know formula as 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, and the sin square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x, that is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Right. Similarly, cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. If it is cos square 2x, if it is 2x, in place of x, if you have 2x, it becomes cos, in place of 2x, we'll get the 4x, isn't it? 4x by 2, right? We'll move to problem now. How to learn these formulas in order to complete this problem. So y is equal to, there is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. That's the formula, sin square x formula. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. So squaring, numerator 1 by 4, I can write it as 1 by 4 denominator. So I write it at last. So 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2ab is 2 cos 2x by 4. This is y is equal to, so taking 1 by 4 common, 1 plus cos square 2x formula is 1 plus cos 4x by 2, isn't it? Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x as it is. So by 4 I can write it as 1 by 4 now. Here 1 by 4. Okay, right. Now clear it. 1 by 4 into 1. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8 into 1 into cos 4x. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cos 4x minus 2 by 4 into, last term is 2 by 4 into cos 2x. That is last term. So I multiplied 1 by 4 for the second term as it becomes 1 by 8 into 1 plus cos 4x. So that is 1 by 8 into 1 plus 1 by 8 into cos 4x. And last term this is y. So what is y dash now? 0, 1 by 4 derivative, 0, 1 by 8 derivative, 1 by 8 into third term derivative, 1 by 8 into cos derivative is minus sin 4x, and then 4x derivative is 4. Next last term derivative is minus 2 by 4, no, minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x derivative. Cos derivative is sin. Cos derivative is minus sin 2x into 2. Okay, right. 2 gets cancelled here, and then here 4 ones, 4 2's. Right. Y double dash is equal to minus 1 by 2 is constant there, and then sin 4x, sin derivative is cos 4x into again 4x derivative is 4. This first term derivative, and the next term is minus of minus plus, and then sin 2x derivative, sin derivative is cos 2x into 2. So 2 ones, 2 2's. Take 2 common. We'll get in the positive term first, negative term next, cos 2x minus cos 4x. Okay, cos 2x minus cos 4x. So simple problem. Looks something complicated if you doesn't know the formula. Next, log of 4x square minus 9, log of 4x square minus 9. Log x derivative, I know log x derivative as 1 by x, that is d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Inside logarithm there is 4x square minus 9. What is the derivative of 4x square minus 9? It is 8x minus 0. So next move on to this problem. Y, I consider this as y. Y is equal to log of 4x square minus 9. If you consider 4x square minus 9 as f of x, derivative 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So y dash is equal to 1 by 4x square minus 9 into 4x square minus 9 derivative is 8x. Okay, so that is this. If you want to differentiate again, it's in the form of u by v. What is u by v whole dash? U by v whole dash. U by v whole dash is vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So here v is 4x square minus 9, u dash is 8, minus u is minus 8x, and v dash is again 8x, 4x square minus 9 derivative by v square is 4x square minus 9 whole square. It is. So simplify y double dash, take 8 common from the first two terms, 8 into 4x square minus 9 minus x into 8x is 8x square by 4x square minus 9 whole square. 4x square minus 8x square is minus 4x square. Take minus common, minus 8 into 4x square minus 9, so minus taken common, so plus 9 by 4x square minus 9 whole square. So that is the derivative of second order derivative of log of 4x square minus 9. Second order derivative. So next problem, fourth one, trigonometric equation. Look here. Tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. We know that tan pi by 4 plus a is 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. So this can be written as tan inverse of 1 plus is there. So tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of x, isn't it? 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of x. That is the formula you must learn from inverse trigonometric function. We know from inverse trigonometric function. So now we move to first order derivative. What is the y dash? Tan inverse 1 is constant, its derivative is 0, and then tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Y double dash is 1 by 1 plus x square derivative, it's in the form of 1 by f of x, so minus 1 by f of x whole square into f dash of x is 2x. F of x here is 1 plus x square. Okay, so minus 2x by 1 plus x square is the second order derivative of tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So inverse trigonometric function, we have to learn the formula there. It's also same. 3 tan a minus tan cubed a by 1 minus 3 tan square a is tan 3a. So it can be written as 3 tan inverse of x. Given function can be written as 3 tan inverse of x. So I consider this as y. Tan 3a, 3 tan a minus tan cubed a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So tan inverse of 3x minus x square by 1 minus 3x square is tan inverse of 3 tan inverse of x, derivative 3 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Go for y double dash is equal to 1 by f of x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into 2x. 3 is constant into 2x. So total answer is minus 6x by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay. So now we move to next problem. Tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So you can do this as homework since we've done this problem already. Try this at home. Try. This can be written as tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x, isn't it? If we consider this as y, this tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. Tan a minus tan b. 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a is tan of pi by 4 minus a. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse of y formula. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. We consider x as 1 and y as x. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. If we consider x as 1 and y as x, this becomes tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So these are the formulas that to be applied here. So we can we know the derivative of those two things, right? Next problem. Problem number 2, first one, y is equal to ax to the power of n plus 1 bx to the power of minus n. Find second order derivative. So y is equal to ax to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n. We have to find the second order derivative for this. Okay. So what is y dash? X to the power of n derivative here. a is constant, x to the power of n plus 1 is n into x to the power of n minus 1. That is n plus 1 into x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1, that is n, plus b into minus n into x to the power of minus n minus 1. Next we'll go for second order derivative here. Y double dash is equal to a into n plus 1 is constant. X to the power of n derivative is n into x to the power of n minus 1. And then minus bn is constant. X to the power of minus n minus 1 is minus of n minus 1, minus n minus 1. X to the power of minus n minus 1 is minus n minus 2. So from these two, n into n plus 1 is common. So take n into n plus 1 common. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 into, so remaining thing is in first term a x to the power of n minus 1. In second term minus of minus becomes plus b, minus b into minus of n plus 1. That is minus of minus plus b into n into n plus 1 taken common. So x to the power of minus n minus 2. Since in LHS we have x square y double dash, so I multiply x square on both sides. So that is x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into a to the power of m into a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n, isn't it? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. So m here it is n minus 1, n it is x square. So n minus 1 plus 2 is n plus 1. b into x to the power of minus n minus 2 into x square is x to the power of minus n minus 2, my plus 2 gets cancelled. So n into n plus 1 into remaining term becomes y, isn't it? This is x square y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. That's the end of the problem, important problem. Similarly, we have many problems here. We'll move into next problem, second one. Y is equal to a cos x plus b plus 2x sin x. Then we have to find the derivative of y double dash. Then we have to prove y double dash plus y is equal to 4 cos x. Y double dash is there now. So how to find the second order derivative? So first order derivative, first we consider y, not y dash, this is y. Y is equal to a cos x plus b plus 2x into sin x. b plus 2x into sin x. Next y dash is equal to a into cos x derivative is minus sin x. And then we have to differentiate uv. Take u as it is, and v derivative is sin x derivative is cos x, plus sin x as it is, b plus 2x derivative is 2, b derivative is 0 plus 2x derivative is 2. This is the value. So I can write into an order. A sin x is there, minus a sin x, and last term is 2 sin x. I'll write here plus 2 sin x, and then next term remaining here it is b plus 2x cos 2x, b plus 2x into cos x, right? So I'll go for second order derivative. Minus a into sin x derivative is cos x, 2 into sin x derivative is cos x, and then last term uv, b plus 2x as it is, cos derivative is minus sin x, and then cos x as it is, b plus 2x derivative is 2. So y double dash is if you take first and third terms, take minus common, a cos x plus b plus 2x into sin x, and third and fourth terms, look into third and fourth terms. If you add these two things, you'll get 4 cos x. 2 cos x plus 2 cos x is 4 cos x. Y double dash is equal to minus, there is nothing but y, isn't it? There is nothing but first equation, that is y, minus y plus 4 cos x. So ultimately we can write it as y double dash plus y is equal to 4 cos x. Right, next we move into next problem, simple problem. Y is equal to 6 into x plus 1 plus a plus bx into e power 3x. Then do that y double dash minus 6y dash so on. So you can try this simple problem. You can try this. First of all, write y, find y dash, multiply with minus 6, and then first find y double dash into 1, multiply y with 9, add all those things, you will get answer as 54x plus 18. A very simple problem, you can try. Right, we will move into next problem. Some of the important problems here, all second order derivatives. A y to the power of 4 is equal to b, x plus b whole to the power of 5. Prove that this is given. A y to the power of 4 is equal to x plus b whole to the power of 5. Look into the equation. how to prove y double dash is 5 into is equal to y dash whole square. It doesn't contain x, independent of x. So we have to be careful here. Differentiate this with respect to x. So a into 4 y cube, y derivative is y dash, is equal to 5 into x plus b whole to the power of 4 into x plus b derivative is 1. Since it doesn't contain x, important thing is how to divide these two things. Equation 1 by 2, that is a y to the power of 4 by a 4 y cubed y dash is equal to x plus b whole to the power of 5 by 5 into x plus b whole to the power of 4. Here 4 gets cancelled, with 5 gets cancelled, y cubed gets cancelled, a gets cancelled. So y by y dash, we're taking the 5 to this side, 4 to that side, 5y dash is equal to 4x plus 4b. Okay, 4x plus 4b. Now we can differentiate this on both sides. Left hand side it is in the form of u by v square, denominator y dash whole square, and then v is a y dash, u dash is a 5y derivative is 5y dash, minus 5y is u, into v dash is y dash derivative y double dash. Y double dash is equal to 4x derivative is equal to 4x derivative is 4, and then 4b derivative is 0. So it can be written as 4 plus 0. Okay, right. Cross multiply 5y dash whole square minus 5y y double dash, 5y y double dash is equal to minus 5y y double dash is equal to 4y dash whole square. Take 4y dash to left side and 5y y double dash to right side. So 5y dash whole square minus 4y dash whole square is y dash whole square is equal to 5y y double dash. That's the proof of the fourth problem. So important thing is you have to note that the third step is very important. You have to divide equation 1 and 2 so that the simplification becomes very easy, or else it becomes a complicated problem and then also a lengthy problem. Fourth one, right? Next problem, we want to learn next problem. Y is equal to a cos sin x plus b sin x. Then prove that y double dash plus tan x into y dash plus y cos square x is equal to 0. Y, what's given? Y is equal to a cos sin x plus b sin x. Keep it in mind, cos of sin x derivative is minus sin of sin x into sin x derivative is cos x. Cos of f of x is minus sin of f x into f dash of x. That is the way we have to differentiate. Sin of sin x is cos of sin x into cos x, right? Y dash derivative. Y derivative, I can say this as equation number 1. Y dash as equation 2, right? Y dash is a into cos derivative is minus sin x into again sin x derivative is cos x, plus b into cos the sin derivative is cos of sin x into sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, this is number 2, right? We can differentiate again y double dash. Go for y double dash. UV formula we have to apply for each term. So I write from here y double dash is equal to first term derivative uv minus a into sin of sin x as it is, and then cos x derivative is minus sin x, right? Plus b into cos of minus a cos x into sin of sin x derivative is minus cos of minus cos minus sin of minus cos of minus plus cos of sin x, right? Sin x derivative is cos x. Next term b cos b into cos of sin x as it is, cos derivative is minus sin x, plus b cos x as it is, cos of sin x is cos derivative is minus sin of sin x into sin x derivative is cos x. I think it is clear. uv for first term, uv for second term derivative, right? I clearly represent y double dash as like this: minus a sin x minus sin x is plus a sin of sin x into sin x, and then minus a cos of sin x into cos square x. Third term it contains minus, so minus b cos of sin x into sin x. Last term is minus is there, minus b sine of sin x into cos square x. That is y double dash. Write into y dash, multiply y dash with the tan x, that is tan is sin x by cos x. So multiply y dash with the sin x by cos x throughout. Sin x by cos x into y dash is equal to, each term with the sin x by cos x, so have to multiply. So it's equal to minus a sin x cos x into sin x by cos x into sin x by cos x plus second term b cos sin x, b cos of sin x into cos x, multiply with sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. So cos gets cancelled in first and second terms. So y dash is over, y is multiplied with cos square x. So multiply y with cos square x. So cos square x into y is equal to a cos sin x into cos square x plus b sin x into cos square x. Now have to add all these three terms, y double dash sin x by cos x, y dash cos square x y, y double dash plus sin x by cos x is tan of tan x into y dash plus cos square x into y is equal to, first term in y double dash gets cancelled with the first term in y dash, tan x y dash, and then second term in y double dash gets cancelled with the first term in cos square x y, third term with the second term in y dash, and the last term with the last term in cos square x y. This is 0. That's the answer. Simple problem, very easy.
Sin power 3x cos power 4x, y dash 128 into sin cubed x as it is, cos power 4x is 4 cos cubed x into minus sin x, and then plus 128 into cos power 4x as it is, sin cubed x derivative is 3 sin square x into cos x, sin x derivative is cos x. Next, if you match all these things, 128 into minus 128 into 4 into sin power 4x cos cubed x first term, and then plus 128 into 3 cos power 5x sin square x, 3 cos power 5x sin x, right? 128 again, if you differentiate twice, y double dash is equal to minus 128 into 4 into sin power 4 cos cubed is sin power 4, cos cube derivative is 3 cos square x into minus sin x. Okay, right? And then cos cubed x into 4 sin cubed x into cos x. That is the derivative of this. And then plus 128 into 3 constant. And then cos power 5x u, v dash is 2 sin x cos x. And then sin square x as it is, cos power 5 is 5 cos power 4x into minus sin x, cos x derivative. Right, this is. If we take minus 128 sin x cos square x, sin x cos square x common in each term, sin square x, sin x I have taken common, cos square x. So this is a 4 3 is 12, minus 12 sin power 4x, minus of minus, so plus 12 sin power 4x. Okay, minus I have taken 128 sin x cos square x. So minus 4, how to multiply for these two things. So minus 4 into 3 is into minus is plus 12 sin power 4x. Here cos square x is taken common, cos square remains, and sin x is taken common, sin square x remains. cos square x sin square x into 4 4s are 16. So minus 16 cos square x sin square x, and then 128 sin x cos square x is taken common, cos cubed x will be there. So 6 cos cubed x, and then 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15 minus 15 cos square x sin square x remains. So answer is 128 sin x cos square x into 12 sin power 4x minus 16 minus 15 is minus 31 sin square x cos square x, and then 6 here cos power 4 will be there. So cos power 4x. Cos square has taken common, here cos power 4 will be there. Here if you're taking a 2, here 3 will be there, this one 4 cos power 4x. This is the problem. Somewhat vague, but how to learn to be strong. Second one, and Roman number 2, y is equal to sin 2x, sin 3x, sin 4x, then find y double dash. I multiply with the 2 on both sides. 2y is equal to 2 into sin 4x, sin 2x, and then I'll write sin 3x. Sin 4x first, sin 2x. If you add and subtract, it will be very easy. So 2 sin A sin B formula is 2 sin A sin B form cos of C minus D, that is cos 2x minus cos 6x. 2 sin C sin D is equal to cos of C minus D minus cos of C plus D. Here C is equal to 4x, D is equal to 2x. 4x minus 2x is 2x, 4x plus 2x is 6x into sin 3x. So again multiply with the 2, there is 4y is equal to, how multiply with the 2, 2 sin 3x into cos 2x, again minus 2 sin 3x into cos 6x. Okay, 2 sin A cos B formula is sin of A plus B, sin of C plus D is 5x, plus sin of A minus B is sin x, and then minus 2 cos A sin B is sin of A minus A plus B is 9x, minus sin of A minus B is 3x. So sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C cos D is, or 2 sin A cos B is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. If it is 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A sin B, then it is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Sin cos positive, cos sin is negative. So cos sin, so negative, sin cos it is positive. So totally 4y is equal to, greatest term is minus sin 9x, and then 5x, 3x is positive, sin 3x, and then sin x. Okay, so now what is 4y dash? This is minus 9 into cos of 9x, plus 5 into cos of 5x, plus 3 into cos of 3x, plus cos x, plus cos x. So 4y double dash is equal to 9 into 9 minus sin. So plus 9 into 9, 81 sin 9x, 81 sin 9x. Then 5 minus 25 sin 5x minus 9 sin 3x minus sin x. So this is the value. Y double dash can be written as 1 by 4 into 81 sin 9x minus 25 sin 5x minus 9 sin 3x minus sin x. That's the answer. 81 sin 9x minus 25 sin 5x minus 9 sin 3x minus sin x. The second problem. Third one. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then prove that y double dash is equal to h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. Look here, what's given is h square ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 1. Given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 1. Differentiating on both sides, 2ax, 2h x y dash, 2hy x derivative is 1, and then 2by y dash is equal to 0. you can cancel 2 throughout since it is equal to 0. So ax plus hy to that side. So y dash into hx plus by 2h y dash. Hx plus by is equal to minus ax minus hy. So y dash is equal to minus ax minus hy by hx plus by. Let u is equal to minus ax minus hy. U dash is equal to minus a minus hy dash. Minus a minus hy dash. So this can be written as minus a minus h into y dash is minus ax minus hy by hx plus by. This becomes minus ahx minus aby plus ahx plus h square y by hx plus by. So this gets cancelled. ahx. So remaining is u dash. This is not u by u dash. U dash is equal to h square minus ab by hx plus by. Right? I consider and v is equal to hx plus by. V dash is equal to h plus by dash. V dash is equal to h plus b into minus ax minus hy by hx plus by. So this is h square x plus hby minus aby minus hby by hx plus by. hby gets cancelled. H square minus ab into y by hx plus by. It is v dash. Now we move on to the problem. There is equation number 1. So we need a second order derivative, y double dash. Y double dash is nothing but, if you consider y as y dash as u by v, y double dash is v u dash minus u v dash by v square, isn't it? So y double dash is equal to, what is v square? V square is hx plus by whole square. V is hx plus by into u dash is h square minus ab into y h square minus ab into y h square minus ab into y by hx plus by, and then minus u is a minus of ax minus hy. So I can write it as minus of minus plus ax plus hy into v dash is h square minus ab into is x, sorry, h square minus ab into x by hx plus by. H square x hby minus abx minus hby. So hby gets cancel, h square minus ab into x. So 1 by hx plus by taken common. Hx plus by taken common. So when you take 1 by hx plus by common, this becomes hx plus by 1 by hx plus by into hx plus by whole square, hx plus by whole cube. Just multiply. Take h square minus ab common. H square minus ab common. Remaining is multiply with y, hxy plus by square. And then when you multiply with the x, ax into x is ax square plus hxy. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is given as 1. So this is a h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. Very important problem. It seems to be somewhat difficult. When you take u and v, u dash and v dash separately, when you substitute, you will feel comfortable here. Next problem. A e power minus bx cos of cx plus d. Then prove that the second order derivative is given. So what is y? Y is equal to a e power minus bx cos of cx plus d. What is y dash? A into e power minus bx as it is. Cos derivative is minus sin cx plus d into c. And then a into cos of cx plus d is a constant. If you take cos of cx plus d as it is, and e power minus bx derivative is e power minus bx, and then bx derivative is minus. So y dash is equal to minus ac e power minus bx sin of cx plus d minus ab e power minus bx cos of cx plus d. Again, if you apply y double dash, what will get? Y double dash is minus ac e power minus bx sin of cx plus d is cos of cx plus d into c minus ac sin of cx plus d into e power minus bx derivative is e power minus bx into minus b minus ab e power minus bx cos derivative is minus sin cx plus d into c minus ab e power cos of cx plus d as it is, e power minus bx derivative is e power minus bx into minus b. So y double dash is equal to, you take e power minus bx common, the remaining is minus ac square cos of cx plus d plus abc sin of cx plus d plus abc sin of cx plus d, and then ab square cos of cx plus d. If you multiply y dash with 2b y dash, 2b y dash is e power minus bx into minus 2abc, 2b into ac is 2abc sin of cx plus d, and then plus minus 2ab square cos of cx plus d. And then when you multiply b square plus c square, b square y, c square y, b square y, c square y, when you multiply b square y, c square y with y, so what is b square y plus c square y? B square y plus c square y, e power minus bx common, b square y is ab square cos of cx plus d, b square y, c square y is ac square cos of cx plus d. Add all these things. Adding all these things, what will get? Y double dash plus 2b y dash plus b square plus c square into y is equal to e power minus bx into minus a square ac square cos plus ac square cos abc 2abc minus 2abc sin of cx plus d 2ab square. There is ab square, there is ab square cos of cx plus d is 2ab square minus 2ab square. So answer is 0. That's the end of second order derivatives.